keep that in your head, and then when I need you to use it, I'm just going to make you say it to someone.
See now.
Oh yeah, but you have to really look.
Okay, alright, listen, I want Carol's money back. What? I want Carol's money back.
No, let's go around again. Why are you going to be nice,
Yeah, cross my legs in the way and go along the legs and do something on. So. Objects that are moving to continue moving without stopping.
Sometimes.
That's why the Earth keeps spinning.
Sometimes they have to go for hard landing to let all the energy out. Or as Michelle said, energy to go down.
Yeah, but all the energy comes from inertia and momentum. Yeah, that looks. What it looks like? It looks like we're in the middle of a rush.
Yeah, come on, where's the US Air Force?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're sure you can't wait to enjoy your holiday. Don't stand up just yet.
Please stay seated and buckled up until we switch the seatbelt signs off.
You can switch your phone on when we open the plane doors. And just to let you know, you're not allowed to smoke or vape on the way to the terminal or in the terminal itself.
Before you go, please make sure you put everything with you. And take care when you open the overhead lockers, as some things may have moved during the flight.
As you leave us, please take care as there will be a gap between the plane and the steps or air bridge. If you're travelling with children, hold their hand and mind the gap.
Our friendly team will take you into the terminal and will be happy to help you in baggage handling. If you're on a Jet2 holiday, our customer help